Hi everyone, it's Mary Kay here. I'm the Grammy from Grammy Square, and today I'm going to show you how to do this Tunisian full stitch. It has an eye-catching woven appearance. Let's jump right in. I'm starting with worsted weight yarn and a Tunisian crochet hook with an attached cable. We'll start with the chain, and I've got 16 on my hook. To start the foundation row forward pass, we'll be using the bumps on the back of your chain, so turn your work until you can see those bumps, and then insert your hook into each one of them. Yarn over and pull up a loop, and pull the loop up kind of high. This will help keep it from curling. This is how it will look when you're finished with the forward pass. You can see that row of V-stitches looks really good. For the back pass, let's yarn over, pull through one, then yarn over, pull through two, all the way back till you have one loop left on your hook. With the foundation row completed, we're ready to start our full stitch. Let's locate which spaces we're going to be using. We'll be going in the spaces between the stitches, there, there, and there, and so on. For the first stitch, we'll go into the very first space, pull up a loop and pull it kind of high, and then insert your hook between the stitches. These are pretty easy to find until you get all the way across to the second to the last stitch. There are 2 stitches left plus the edge, so we'll pick up one there, and then for the first row we're going to skip the next one and go through the edge loops, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then our backward pass will be the same. Yarn over, pull through one, and then yarn over, pull through two, all the way across. For the full stitch, we're going to be skipping a space either at the beginning or the ending of each row. And since we put one at the beginning of the last row, insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop, and then in each stitch all the way across until the last 2. On this row, we skipped the first stitch, so we'll put one in the last stitch that we skipped in the last row. And then on the edge, pick up those 2 loops, yarn over, pull through one. Since we're alternating rows on the stitch, it's a good idea to make sure your stitch count remains the same. For the back pass, yarn over, pull through one, and yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, all the way back again to the beginning of the row. This is the 3rd row, and we'll be picking up a stitch between the first 2 stitches this time, and skipping a stitch at the end of the row. And repeat that alternating stitch pattern until you reach your desired length. I've completed several rows and I'm ready to bind off now. We'll do basically the same thing, only we'll use a single crochet to bind off each stitch. So insert your hook into that first space between stitches, yarn over, pull up a loop, then yarn over and pull through 2. And that binds off that stitch. And let me get that out of the way there. Okay, the second one into that space, yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through 2. So we're creating single crochets as we bind off these stitches. This is how it looks when you're finished, and it's got a nice even pattern that looks like a woven pattern. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.